Hi, my name is Derrick Pierce, and I'm joining from Baker City, Oregon, a small rural community in Eastern Oregon. I decided to attend Drone Command Live because I needed some help identifying some of the markets and to concentrate my efforts on, as well as I have no experience with marketing or really operating and running any business. I've worked for the last 20 plus years as a software developer. So this is kind of a new adventure for myself because of the introduction of AI technologies into software development and IT in general. I felt like it was time to make a move to help, hedge my bets a little bit in case I do lose my job, which so many are it's happening to so many people right now. There's been some excellent points made today, and I would recommend this course to anybody that's interested in drones. Maybe has a desire to start their own business with drones. To put that thing to work for them and earn some money. I think that this is a great foundational, presentation to get you started and get you on your started on the right foot. I feel like both Diego and Damon have been very engaging presenters and very knowledgeable in their fields. The um, you know drone boss certainly knows his stuff about the drones and such. Where uh, you know, Diego knows the marketing side of things, and has really been helpful in opening my eyes into kind of where to focus those efforts and how to tailor my material to avoid to really hone in on hot button issues that the customer cares about. I'm as guilty as anybody else that he brought up today. That I've got my bullet points of services and all of these useless phrases that mean nothing to nobody. But so I really appreciated his insight on the marketing stuff today, and I really look forward to what's going to happen tomorrow.